Look at all these birds that were. Look at all the birds. It's bird season part 2.
Little bit of bread.
You got a last. That's the last one. Oh.
Yeah. Road trip to Oregon. We're making a pit stop. We have
And
McDonald's and we feed.
I don't even have my glasses on. I don't even have my glasses on. I don't even have my glasses on this time. I don't even have my glasses on. And you can't even make a video of this. Oh, birdie. Birdie. No. No, no, quiet. No, quiet. No, you quiet.
No, you're quiet.
No, you shut up. No, you be quiet.
You recording?
No, you're quiet.
No, me quiet. Nick quiet. Oh, quiet. Nick quiet. Nick quiet. What? What are you doing? Okay, record me doing like a trick shot or something. It's only for like 16 minutes. Record me. Record me. Do it me.
Nope. Not bad.
Stop recording the birds. What are you doing with the birds? We're done with that. What? We're done with the birds. It's gonna end eventually. Scared. This guy. His home is gone.
Oh yeah.
Here, I'm stopping.